Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate, and in this video we're going to talk about the word abrasive. But before we continue, please click the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll keep producing more videos so you can practice English and learn new English words. Let's jump right in and get started. Abrasive is an adjective, and there's actually two definitions for the word that we're going to talk about today. Abrasive is an adjective. The first definition is rough. The second definition is harsh. So abrasive is an adjective. There's two definitions. Definition number one is rough, and the second definition is harsh. Let's look at some example sentences so we can get a better understanding of what the word abrasive means. As a reminder, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So let's take a look at those two example sentences. The first example sentence uses the first definition. The carpenter used different types of abrasive sandpaper to finish the shelf. The carpenter used different types of abrasive sandpaper to finish the shelf. A carpenter is a person who works with wood, and he used different types of rough sandpaper to finish the shelf he was making, which was made out of wood. The second example sentence uses the second definition. The man's abrasive personality is a turnoff for many people. The man's abrasive personality is a turnoff for many people. So the man's harsh personality makes people uncomfortable or pushes people away from this man in the way he acts and behaves. Now let's start to practice our pronunciation. Remember, I will be saying the word 3 times first, and then after that I will repeat, and you can repeat after me. Abrasive. Abrasive. One more time. Abrasive. Now I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Abrasive. 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 Good job, everybody. Just as a reminder, harsh is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, and there's two different definitions for the word harsh. It can mean rough, describing like a material or an object is rough. It can also describe a personality or a person's behavior or actions as harsh. Thank you for learning English and practicing English with me. I greatly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.